Oh, Jesus. Wow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. We have a Tuesday, and this Tuesday is a warm one. It's a warm Tuesday, nice and chill, and I'm just inching my way towards good old Dumbo, where I'm gonna spend 8 hours sitting by my desk, at my desk, counting money and calculating things. Basically sitting there. Let me write this email, let me write that email, let me hold on. Come on, you got this, brother. Yeah, so I gotta write emails, I gotta follow up on a bunch of money. There's like 14 vendors who should know better, who should really know better, and they gotta pay up. They gotta pay up. Wow. Alright, well, that's what it is. That's how it be. So, yeah, that's my day in a nutshell. That's my day in a nutshell. That said, I'm gonna do a bunch of different things today. I got a whole list of activities. And now I'm looking at that cop. What is that cop gonna do? Is he really taken and left? Oh, look, it's a little Ducati person on a little hyper motard. That's the mono. That's the mono. Fucking hell. Hopefully they will make it, so I don't have to deal with them. There we go. Go ahead, boys. Make the turn. Get out of here. Scram. Oh, I'm so happy it's warm. My back was hurting for this whole last week, and it's finally feeling better, or starting to. There's hope. For like 2-3 days, I was really not in the mood for the whole thing. But now there's hope again. We're gonna be all right. I've also stepped in dog shit earlier, so that's another highlight of my morning. Oh, look at those trees up there. That's so cool. I like that little table over there with that bench, and yeah, on that balcony up there. Anyway, I'm all disheveled. I didn't want to ride this morning. I was kind of like, man, this rain. But I also didn't want to take the train, 'cause that's like an hour. Forget that shit. And I'm also listening to Jack Reacher, so I'm like, why can't I just stay home and drink coffee and listen to Jack Reacher on my balcony? Why can't I just do that? I could just sit there, you know what I mean? Oh, this freaking dickhead is about to get blocked up by this bus. I'm too close to him. Maybe not. No, he's got it. It's gonna be alright. Sweet bananas, man. That's a long light, huh? I feel like they change the algorithms once in a while, and geez Louise. So yeah, this weekend there was a bunch of stuff. There was the We Ride as One Ducati ride, and I didn't go to it because my back hurts. Brooklyn Art House, that looks cool. Oh, interesting, look. There are cops over there today. I wonder what they're doing. I wonder what they're up to. I don't often see NYPD on actual BQE in the morning. Seems like a waste of their time. here? Oh, Jesus. Wow. That was obstacle. Imagine on the bike. That would be awful. Oh no, now we got freaking cops. Normally I'd be gunning it right here. But instead we got police chilling. Wide open BQE, baby. I like it. I dig it. Bro, come on. There's a popo right behind me. Now is not the time to stop. I wonder if that popo would actually chase me on the shoulder or something. Doubt it. Doubt it. But I wouldn't be surprised. Could be a cool little event. I think we're okay. Very foggy this morning, but warm. And it is supposed to rain any minute, and there is wind gusts of up to 15 miles per hour. That's what I do in the morning over a coffee. I like obsess over weather apps to make sure conditions are optimal for my journey. I also have a meeting at 10 today. Some bagels. Not very much excited about it. Just, I got all this shit to do, but people want to sit around and talk for damn near an hour. Oh well. I just sit there and doodle, make to-do lists. That's what it's for. It's all good. Porsche, it's adorable. There we go. Nice little sweet cruise. Glad I rode. The train would have been awful. Gentle, baby. I don't go that way anymore for some reason. There we go. Fucking go. Fucking dickhead. I guess he's moving a little bit, but if you're gonna make a gentle, slow move into a fast lane, better utilize it. Haul ass. Back is okay. The back is fine. Ooh, I love love these balconies here, man. This whole neighborhood, it's like a dream neighborhood for me. Look at these folks. Cheating, lying. Cheating, lying, and tricking. Everybody and their mom is taking a right today. Except for this banana. These fucking folks, man. These fucking folks. I swear to God. Yo, you had a fucking... This is hilarious. I'm not doing that. You had a yellow light and you didn't take it. You don't get to go ahead. Look at all these tourists. Mad tourists today. Tourists galore. And they're building a nice little curb here so people don't cut. I like it. I like it. Now that guy's gonna freaking blast that baby in there. Look. Get in there, kid. Yes. Fucking hammer drill that bitch. There we go. Easy work. Hammer drill that bitch. Thank you. That lady is always so nice. Oh. Such a nice temperature right now. If only I didn't have this meeting, I'd be so happy. But it's okay. We'll deal with it. Ooh, look at the bridge. The bridge is magical this morning. It's half missing. Yes, magical bridge. Do like it. Both the bridges are gone. What are these folks doing over here? What are we even fucking doing? Is this all happening right now? I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm not doing this. Alright, we're gonna go against traffic straight up, just like so, to find a good parking spot. I mean, that's not a bad spot right there, but we'll find something better. This bike is still here. It's freaking insane. I'm gonna find a good spot, maybe over here somewhere. Yeah, over there. Not bad spots. I mean, I guess there's some spots over there, but nah, we go over here. Over here. Nice little spot. Big spot. Massive spot. Perfect for my tiny little bike. Oop, how you doing? Oh, that guy is chilling. That guy's chilling in his truck. Alright, I'm gonna put on my little chain and then we're gonna wobble away, call this thing a day. There's a nice little commute. Freaking lane splitting past cops like a criminal, you know what I mean? Unbelievable, family. We are criminals. But I guess we all knew that. I guess you guys knew that about me. You guys knew that I'm fucking just cut from a different cloth. You know what I mean? Isn't it funny how when your back doesn't hurt, you're like legit, your mood improves. Like I'm literally in a playful, happy mood right now. At fucking 8 a.m. You know what I mean? It's amazing. It's really amazing. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We got the keys. Got the key in here. Right? Where's my... No, it's in my pocket, I think. Alright, so we're gonna do this. I also got the freaking keys here. There we go. Alright. We're pretty much ready to put on the headphones and walk. This is the new fashion institute of some sort they started here. Alright, boys and girls. I'll talk to you all later, okay? Beautiful day.